All right, let's check out this ad from Halcyon Med Spa in Corpus Christi, Texas. It says, "Boost your energy, sharpen your mind, feel your best. This September, give your body the reset it deserves with NAD Plus injections. Now $50 off all month. Benefits of NAD Plus: increased energy and reduces fatigue, enhances mental clarity and focus, supports metabolism and cell repair, strengthens immunity and fights the inflammation, promotes healthy aging from the inside out. September special. $50 off NAD Plus injection vial, Halcyon Med Spa, 7002 South Staples, Corpus Christi, Texas. Call or book online today." And we got the text, phone number, and call number as well, and their email address and some hashtags. And the headline is Halcyon Med Spa. All right, right off the bat, it's not a bad starting point. You got an offer, you got some benefits here, and there's even a deadline, the end of September, right? But here's where it misses the mark and what might be costing you some bookings. First, it starts vague, right? Boost your energy, sharpen your mind, feel your best. Okay, but why now? Why this clinic? And why NAD Plus instead of something else? The headline itself is soft, right? You're opening with a wellness brochure vibe, not a hook that stops someone's scroll. We need a jolt of energy and curiosity right up front. Third, it reads like a caption, not a conversion machine. There's no emotional language, no stakes, no sensory payoff, right? NAD Plus is a niche service, so you've got to sell the transformation, not just list bullet points. And the call to action is outdated, right? We're still saying call us now, listing a phone number. That might have worked in 2014, but we're in 2025, right? People want a quick action. So a comment-based call to action, typically crush it on Meta. All right, so let's lighten this up and show you how we can help improve this ad. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of this ad here, put it in my documents, just so I have it as a reference. And we're gonna rewrite this ad copy using our $97 ad rewrite playbook. I'm only focusing on the copy and the headline. I'm gonna go line by line so you can see exactly what I'm doing and why am I doing it. So copy, all right. And we'll do headlines underneath that. So we'll start with a local call out that drives energy and an outcome. So we'll say, "Hey, Corpus Christi, want your energy and focus back? Question mark." Next, we're going to tap into the emotional benefit with lifestyle vision. So wake up, space there, wake up, sharp, ditch the burnout, and feel like yourself again. Now we're going to introduce the offer here, right? So this September, NAD Plus injections are $50 off all month long. More clarity. Now here we're going to stack specific visceral outcomes, not just vague science. So more clarity, better sleep, stronger workouts, smooth recovery. All right. Now we're going to create a transformational visual tied to identity. You're not just surviving the week, you're thriving through it. All right. So before we finish this rewrite, and this ad's gonna be pretty fire. This is part of the exact client booking system that we use and for med spas, right? To bring in leads and follow up with them automatically. AI handles the follow-ups, you handle the results, right? No more ghosted leads, no more guessing, just bookings. Want us to build yours? Click the link in the description below or pin comment and book your free demo. All right, let's go back into the rewrite. So we'll drive some exclusivity here. So new to NAD Plus, question mark. This is your sign to try it with $50 off. Our clients swear they feel like they've upgraded their battery. All right, so we reinforced the transformation, plus added some social proof vibes. We're now going to close it out with a modern call to action. So comment, boost below, and we'll DM you the booking link, and we'll sign off. MedSpa, Halcyon Med Spa. All right, and let me go ahead and give you a few headlines to go along with this. So feel sharp all day. NAD plus energy boost, $50 off. All right, so let's read this copy and see if it makes sense to you. All right, so hey, Corpus Christi, I want your energy and focus back. Wake up sharp, ditch the burnout, and feel like yourself again. This September, NAD plus injections are $50 off all month long. More clarity, better sleep, stronger workouts, smooth recovery. You're not just surviving the week, you're thriving through it. New to NAD plus? This is your sign to try it with $50 off. Our clients swear they feel like they've upgraded their battery. Comment boost below and we'll DM you the booking link. Halcyon Med Spa. And the headlines are feel sharp all day. NAD plus energy boost, $50 off. All right. So what do we do here? We replace the generic wellness talk with emotional urgency. We frame the benefits in terms of how life feels, not just what NAD plus does. We use stacking, right? Clarity, energy, focus, in short, punchy bursts. We remove the old school call to action like call us, text us, email us, and replaced it with a comment trigger. And then we layered in identity driven transformation, right? This isn't just a shot, it's an upgrade. And this rewrite sounds like a conversation, not a brochure. And when your copy feels like real life, it actually books real clients. And so if you want us to build your ad and set up the entire client booking system, the ads, the AI follow-ups, the lead nurturing, book a free demo at paidadsmadeeasy.com/calendar, or click the link in the comments below, or in the description, and we'll show you live how it all works. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.